Hey Booze, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you saw in the title, is I'm going to be recreating the look I did for my anniversary. So I just wanted to show you how I did it, and it looks so bomb. And I'm using this new light that I got from Amazon. Like, it's so good. So let me show you all the photo that I took on my anniversary and how my makeup look came out. Like, it's so pretty. So I posted these on Instagram, but just like look at the photo. What's the other photo? And then there's that photo. So I'm gonna be recreating my makeup. It came out really good, and I just wanted to show y'all like how I did it. So get your snacks and get ready and do our makeup together. Get your makeup, get your snacks, get your Starbies ready, because we're gonna be doing a cute makeup look. So I'm gonna say hello to Miley Ray. She's asleep right now because she wants to be with Sissy. So I love this tumbler cup from Starbucks. My boyfriend got me this, and it's like so cute, and just obsessed. So let's clean our hands. Some hand sanitizer. I'm like loving this lighting. It's a portable like little LED light that everyone was raving about on TikTok, and it's just like objective. So put these in my hair, and I'm gonna like curl my hair and stuff like that, so I can get the full look of how it went down. So first off, I'm gonna put my glow drops. These are amazing. It's really nice. And then like my chest to give me like a nice glow. And then I'm going to put a little bit of my Laneige lip mask so I can have my lips hydrated and prep before I do my lips. I really like this one. It's sweet candy to my face. So I'm gonna use my Clinique moisturizer. Love this stuff. I've been trying out different moisturizers to find the one like I love. So, and I'm running out on this moisturizer. And I use like a gel one during the day, and then I use my Pond's one for night because it's a cream and it's a little bit thicker, and I want a lot of moisture in my skin at night. So now I'm gonna put some sunscreen. I just ran out of my Super Good Glow sunscreen, so I have to run to Sephora real quick to go get me a little sample. So I have it right here. And the girl was smart. She gave me a lot. So I'm going to use some sunscreen on my face. I think that's pretty good. Oh, I forgot. I got my mother the e.l.f. Halo Glow thing, and I used it, and it was so good. Because I had the Charlotte Tilbury one. I feel like it just like works the same. Like it does the same job. So it's like I'd rather spend like on the e.l.f. one than like $40 on the Charlotte Tilbury. But I mean, there's no wrong of getting the expensive one if you want the expensive one, but I want the e.l.f. one now because I tried using my mom's and it was like amazing. So I'm gonna get that real quick. Just look how this glow sunscreen does to my face. This is why I love it. Just, you know, like a no makeup look. You just use this and you're like good to go. So it's the shade 3, yeah, light medium. And look at this applicator, it's so huge. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face. And then I'm gonna get my foundation brush and just glue this all around. It looks so good. I quickly can do my brows real quick. So I'm gonna use my Kylie brow. And I'm gonna get my brush and just fill in my eyebrows a little bit to conceal my brows. I think I'm gonna use this new mirror my boyfriend got me. It's so cute. Look at it, and it has a little light. It's so cute. So I'm gonna use it real quick so I can see what I'm doing to my. Okay, brows are done. So now I'm gonna do my foundation. I wanted to try out the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Medium Coverage Foundation. So I'm in the shade 5N, and that's what I used for those photos. And it came out really nice, and I got like a good match. So I'm gonna get my little spatula to get this out. And a lot goes a long way, honestly. So I laid literally a little bit, and I was like so surprised at how much coverage I got out of this. I was like, well, this is good. So I'm just gonna like blend it in with my fingers a little bit to warm up the product. I'll show y'all. Look how glass looking it looks. So good. So I'm gonna put the rest on my neck, and then I'm just gonna use my cosmetic brush to blend it out. I love this brush. I'll have it linked on my Amazon if I can find it, so y'all know the exact brush on what I'm using. But I love this. Is like my ride or die brush to do my foundation, putting on like my primers and stuff like that, like my glowy primers. These scars really well. Just want to show y'all what it looks like. So I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte concealer and conceal under my eyes. The song's been stuck into my head lately. Okay, and for the little jams, I'm gonna blend in my concealer with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I love this brush for blending my concealer because it just works good. And I've been using Real Technique brushes for ever since I started makeup, and they've been my holy grails. I'll never change up. I gotta take a water break, but I'm gonna use my She Glam Cream Contour. With, of course, my Huda Beauty Pound Cake. I use a little bit of my Wet n Wild on my face, and then I went in with my Physicians Formula to give me a little bit more deeper bronze on my cheeks. And I just go like a little bit, and then I just like tap it in my high points of my cheeks, and then kind of like blend it in. And just a little bit, and there you go. Simple as that. I use my Wet n Wild Mellow Wine, my all-time favorite OG blush. Never does me wrong. Gives me a nice color to my cheeks. Just look at that. Really nice. She's gonna put her Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Love this stuff. Running out, so we're gonna let everything sit. Is it the kisses for me? Is it the kisses for me? Okay, so I'm gonna set my brows with my NYX. I use my Anastasia. It's like OG. I always use this one, honestly. It's like one of my all-time favorites. So I'm just gonna lightly. Y'all see that? I always do my chin and my nose. I gotta give it that nice glow, and I always do between my eyebrows. And it looks really good. And under my brows. And for shadow, what I did was I just got a little bit of my bronzer, and then I just put it in my eyelid to give me a bronze shadow look. Cause I didn't do like a dramatic eye. I really wanted to keep it really subtle and cute, like really, really bomb. I don't know how to explain it, but it just looks good. So the two mascaras I'm gonna use are my Bobbi Brown and ELF. So I'm gonna just curl my lashes real quick. My bottom lashes, I'm gonna use my ELF Lash Beats Define and Lifting Mascara. And then I'm gonna use some Dollar Tree lashes, girl. Like, I have like tons of Dollar Tree lashes, so I just like use those lashes. I really don't know like the name, I do it box away, but any lash boom, you do you. Whatever lashes you like, use them, girl. Okay, so I put my lashes on, and then the lip combo I use is this MAC Strip Down to line my lips. And then I use my NYX Dainty Days lipstick, but a little bit of my Milani in Matte Innocence, number 60. It's a really pretty nude. I just put this in the center of my lips. We can keep it matte, but I went the glossy route, so I used my NYX This Is Milky Gloss in Milk and Honey. I really, really love this lip gloss. It's giving me a nice nudie gloss. And I always put my gloss in the center of my lips to make them look even bigger. Okay, boys, I want to put some jewelry on real quick because I look a little bare, but I just want to show you one of my favorite good brands of jewelry items I love to wear is LUISA. So I got some pieces that I want to show y'all. 3 pieces of jewelry. They're these cute little hoops, and they have a little design on them. So what I love about these hoops, they're everyday use. They offer high quality. The designs are affordable. They start at $39, and they have 25,000 plus 5-star reviews. All their products are backed up by a 35-day warranty. They are carbon neutral and climate neutral certified also. US only. They offer free shipping and free returns. And these are a great way to make as gifts for your loved ones, your friends, for yourself. Anyone you want to give gifts to. They're super cute, and they're currently having a Valentine's Day sale, buy one get one 50% off, and that's such an amazing deal because they are high quality, great jewelry items to have in your collection and to give. And definitely click the link in my bio because I have the link on there so y'all can shop real easy to find the pieces you'll love to give or to get for yourself. And they also come with really, really nice cute patches to store your jewelry, and that's what I love about them. So every time I go traveling, I can put my jewelry in here and I know it's safe and secure. And it comes with this magnetic little snap thing. And then this is the next piece I got. So I got this pretty bracelet. I have the matching necklace with it, so elegant look. So here's the bracelet, really, really pretty. Has a little cute diamond on it. That's so good. So I want to say thank you to Annalisa for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Use my curler, and this is the wand I use. I got this at TJ Maxx, like last year. It's from Foxy Bay. Really, really good curling wand. I think this is like a 1 inch, 1.5. Use. It just has it on and off, and then just up or down to turn on the heat. And I usually put my hair on 380 or 390, but I'm just gonna put it at 380. The only product I use is this Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. I got this at my local Ulta. They have it on Amazon, and I have it on my Amazon storefront, so y'all can purchase it. It's really, really good. I only put a little bit because it's very shiny. I don't want my hair to look too greasy. So I just take a piece and I curl it. That's what I did for the glam, and I hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, and I just let it fall in my hand. I let it sit, kind of scrunch it, and then I just put it back. That's all I did to my hair. Really super cute, simple, fast, and easy. just let that sit. Just gives me. Okay, moves. I just curled my hair. It looks so good. The volume is crazy. And for the hairspray I used is this Aquanet. It's my OG. Affordable. You can get this at Walmart, Target, anywhere. So this is how my hair curled. Yes, it looks super cute. My hair's really long, so I have to stand up. But yeah, boos, I hope you guys loved my video. Really, really nice. I recreated, like I said, my 1-year anniversary pictures so y'all can see how I did my hair, my makeup. So yeah, boos. If you have any questions about anything about the jewelry that I mentioned or my makeup products or hair products, just let me know down in the comments, boos. So yeah, boos, I hope you guys enjoy my video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!